In my over 20 years as a trader, I've learned that there are only 6 trade setups that are important to know. GST TMC. The G stands for gap. And today, Thursday, October 17th, there was a gap trade. Now, the reason the gap trade is the number one trade that I teach in my course is that the gap trade is a basic trade that every trader should know. If you trade no other trade setup, you need to know the gap trade. You need to know how to recognize it, and you need to have a leap of faith to jump on it when it's presented to you. Now, today, market opened up at right here at 59.25, okay? And hit the gap, which was down here at this horizontal line, 58.86. So almost a 40-point trade if you took it right at the top. But naturally, most people are not going to take it at the top. They're going to wait a little bit. But still, the gap trade was so obvious. Now, even more, if you have a leap of faith and you believe in the numbers, let me show you something. If you got on right about over here at 59.15 and right over here at 58.97, so 18 points, and you might have wanted to get off when the market started to reverse. Okay, that's fine. That would still be a great 18-point trade, $900 for S&P E-minis. But if you had the faith to wait for prices to hit the gap, this is what happened a little further down the road, a little further along in the day. So that would be a great trade. And so from 59.25 down to the gap at 58.85, 40 points. Okay? 40 points. Ta-da! Almost $2,000, right? Now, another thing that we can look at in terms of having some confidence is the numbers. And the numbers are determined by the Taylor trading calculations. And the trading zone calculations, I have it on my chart. And here's the calculations for Thursday. The range of the day was right here, 45 points. So 45 points was right over here to right over here, right over here to right over here. And so if we take the trading zone, that 45-point trading zone, and we clone it to the top of the range, let's clone it right over here to 59.25. Market didn't quite come down. There was it was a 40-point day. The trading zone calculations were for a range of 45 points, so still off by only 5 points. Not too shabby, right? So that is how you confirm the numbers. So learn the gap trade. It's a basic trade. If you have no other trade setups, if you know nothing else about trading, well, if you know nothing about trading, you shouldn't be trading, at least not with real money. But when you do start to trade, or if you are a trader, watch for the gap trade. And it's okay if the gap trade is not there on a particular day. Pass. Don't trade that day. Wait to find a day where the gap trade is presents itself. Hop on, make some money, enjoy the ride. Trade safely, use lots of patience. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar Trading Academy.